Aliana Asistio, anak ng veteranang aktres na si Nadia Montenegro, ay tuluyan ng nagsabi ng I do sa kanyang longtime partner na si Raymond Mendoza. Sa isang marangyang seremonya sa Dumaguete, 9 na buwan matapos nilang kumpirmahin ang kanilang engagement. Ikinasal sina Aliana at Raymond sa isang taus-pusong wedding ceremony na ginanap sa Mango Ranch Resorts and Events Place sa Dumaguete, Negros Oriental. Ayon sa mga larawang ibinahagi noong Sabado, Nobyembre 29 naganap ang pag-iisang dibdib ng couple na dinaluhan ng malalapit nilang kaibigan, kaanak at mga mahal sa buhay. Matatandaan na inanunsyo ng couple ang kanilang engagement noong Pebrero ngayong taon. Ang kanilang kasal din ang naging marka ng kanilang unang halik bilang mag-asawa. Ayon sa ulat ng Metro Style, ang kasalang ginanap sa Dumaguete ay binuo ng 3 bahagi: isang Catholic wedding, isang Christian ceremony, at isang brunch para sa mga panauhin na naganap mula Sabado, Nobyembre 29 hanggang Linggo, Nobyembre 30. Idinaos ang mismong wedding ceremony at reception sa Mango Ranch Resorts and Events Place sa Dumaguete, Negros Oriental.
Composure. Piling mata ako, nag-contacts kasi ako. Dapat hindi ako nag-contacts.
Kiss. Bye!
Medyo bumibigay na, bumibigay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hello, good evening to everyone. I'm so sorry. Alam ko tinatawag niyo kanina. Ang mga friends ko ay medyo mas malala pa sa seniors na una lang. Hinatid ko lang. But before anything, bawal ako umiyak. May infection ang mata ko. Sabi nila, when something great is going to happen, you do not underestimate the plans of the enemy. But since God is with us and Jesus is with us, I rebuke every plan of the enemy. And just seeing you all coming in from the airport, every flight, just gave me so much strength, so much power, that knowing that the love you have for these two people here in front of me right now is enough. I want to welcome you to our hometown. This is where my mom was born. This is where I was born, not by birth, but this is where I am me. And I wanted Brian to know and his family where we are really from. And it is never complete if I do not bring my friends and my family to my family, the Luis and Villegas family, my Tito Luis and my Tita Nenen. And my cousins Lucho, David, and everybody else. Umberto, everybody's here, Andoni. And of course, to make my mom proud, kahit isa man lang dun sa 8 ko, magpakasal dito sa Dumaguete. And I welcome you all, and I thank everyone. Kuya Deo, you're so special to Yana and to Brian. Lahat ho kayo na nandito ngayon. Of course, to my in-laws also, the Carbonells are here. Lahat ng mga kahit hindi classmates niya, classmates ng mga ate niya, nandito lahat, mga churchmates, lahat. Of course, the family of Brian. Teka, kailangan short din, para din ako daddy mo. Kailangan ko iklihan. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Asisio family. Especially to Chinky, her ate who flew in from the States pa, all the way from the States to here. At si Kuya Andy na galing pang Bicol, syempre hindi kompleto to represent Boy Asisio. And lahat ho kayo, Kim, you know how much I love you. It's not complete without you. Bawal. Kasi nagbibilang muna kami ng debut ngayon kasal na diba? So, pero lahat po kayo, Denise, you know how much Yana loves you as a sister. And nandito pa si Sir Paeng Nepomuceno, my gosh. Since 2 years old, pinapanood ko na yung mag-bowling. Dahil sinasama ako ng nanay ko. And the family of the Mendozas, I thank you so much. Marichi, thank you. All of you are so special to Yana. Kina, lahat kayo. Ewan ko, may nakalimutan pa ako, but yung mga barkada ko malis na okay na yun. Si Lot, si Arlene, Maritoni Fernandez, Annette Goson. These are my childhood friends, like from grade school talaga. So when you have friends, make sure they last a lifetime, not just for the good times, right? And yeah, and the bad times. And to Yana and Brian, I have loved you from day one. The way you have respected my daughter, how you have kept her pure, your relationship, and the energy you've been showing me this last 3 days here in Dumaguete, na parang asang galing yan. Kasi talagang grabe ka. Marami ka mang naging pagkukulang dati na tinatanong ko kung ano yun. Hindi kasi minsan nonchalant si Brian Hindi, oo nga. Compared to Yana, na OA na ang dami ka. Hindi mo na rin alam, di ba? Naawa ko kay Brian minsan, pero sa